Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by repairing your connection and game state. Do it now. First, verify game files in the client to replace corrupted data. This fixes many startup errors. Once done, restart your router and switch to a wired connection because Wi-Fi dropout often causes sync failures. Make sure to sign out of Rockstar Social Club and sign back in to refresh your session tokens. These initial steps clear common transient issues and prime the game for the deeper fixes that follow. Now focus on network routing and software conflicts. Open the recommended ports on your router because Rockstar servers need them for peer and matchmaking traffic. Next, disable VPNs or proxies and temporarily turn off custom firewall rules. These often block required connections. Once network paths are clear, update your GPU drivers, Windows, and the Rockstar launcher to the latest versions so compatibility bugs are removed. After updates finish, reboot the PC and relaunch the game to test whether matchmaking and online features now connect reliably. Finish by resetting local settings and applying persistent routing fixes. Back up and delete the Rockstar Game Settings folder to force fresh configurations. This resolves corrupt config errors. If NAT type stays strict, set a static IP and enable port forwarding or place your device in the DMZ to open required ports. Be cautious with DMZ because it exposes the device. If problems persist, gather launcher and game logs, note error codes, and contact Rockstar support with those details. One key tip: test on another network to isolate local ISP issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.